Route 710, Chelsea Express, eastbound or inbound from the Arctic Coliseum in Chelsea. From the parking lot, you want to exit by making a left out of the parking lot and a right turn at the stop sign onto Coliseum Drive. Taking your right onto Coliseum Drive. Going to proceed to the stop sign. At the stop sign is Old Manchester. We're going to make a right turn at the stop sign. After making our right turn, we're going to continue to the stop sign. At the stop sign is Main Street. We're going to make a right turn. Continuing south on M52 Main Street, we're going to continue through the first set of lights. We will be crossing over I-94. We'll be making a left just over the top of the bridge, making a left onto the eastbound I-94 route. Follow the signs. Making a left turn onto the ramp. Continuing on eastbound I-94, we will remain on eastbound 94 for approximately 12 miles. We will be exiting at mile marker 172. Continuing on I-94 eastbound. We're continuing on eastbound I-94, getting set to approach exit number 172. You're going to see the exit marked Ann Arbor. When you come off, you're going to veer onto Jackson Street. Sign saying Ann Arbor 172. We're going to be right by Weber's Hotel, which is going to be right on the left side of you. You're going to merge onto Jackson. continue eastbound on Jackson. Again, we are still in express mode. There are no stops. So after we have passed 1st Street, we're approaching Maple Stadium Boulevard. Maple to the left, Stadium to the right. We're going to continue straight through, staying on Jackson Road. We're going to continue straight through the traffic light, slightly veering to the right. Jackson Road now becomes Huron at this point. Passing 7th Street. We ask that you remember and keep all of the Ann Arbor crosswalk rules in mind. Whenever there is a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, you must yield the right of way to the said pedestrian. Here at 3rd Street, there's a lighted crosswalk, pedestrian triggered lighted crosswalk. Once you've passed the viaduct, the overpass here, you're now entering into the Central Business District. You can begin to look for your Chelsea drop-off points. Passing 1st. Coming up here at Ashley, just across Ashley, there's a drop off. Stop approaching. We're going to stay on Huron as we pass Maine. This is a turning point. Just as you cross the light here at 4th, there is a Chelsea drop-off. Crossing 4th, drop-off. At the next traffic light is 5th Avenue. We're going to make a right turn. After we've made our right turn, you want to get all the way over to the left lane. We're going to make our left onto East Washington. Our left on Washington. Passing Division. Coming up mid-block, there is a drop-off. Just beyond a crosswalk here, note stop. Approaching State Street at the light. We want to continue straight through State Street. Continuing on Washington, I'm going to go through the stop sign here at Thayer. There is a drop-off stop mid-block. Note the Chelsea stop on the right. At the stop sign is Fletcher. We will make a left turn. After making our left on the Fletcher, at the traffic light is East Huron, we're going to make a right turn. After you make your right onto East Huron, you want to get over into the center lane and prepare to make your left turn onto Xena Pitcher. After you cross Glen. Making our left onto Xena Pitcher. At the traffic light is Ann Street. We're gonna make a right turn. After our right turn, immediately there is a drop off. Stop. Continuing on Ann, we're going to make a right turn at the roundabout. To the left is the Cardiovascular Center for the University of Michigan Hospital. Just as you make your right turn through the roundabout, you'll note the drop-off stop. Get over to the left lane. We're going to make our left turn onto East Medical Center Drive. Making our left turn onto East Medical Center Drive. So I'm approaching the Mott Hospital. Drop off. Stop approaching main hospital entrance. Off to the left is the Cancer Center. After you cross this light, this is the last stop for the inbound, eastbound 710 Chelsea Express.